For the successful presentation in a meeting, these are the key ingredients. If you see these three boxes, the first one, presenter. It has timeline, data, impact analysis, risk analysis, metrics, KPI, use cases, pros and cons, options, recommendations, process flow, demo, testing, evidence. So all of these important points can be together presented in a meeting or else can be talked out partially. In the meetings, we commonly use these points, which are timeline, data, impact analysis, risk analysis, metrics, KPI, use cases, pros and cons, options, recommendations, process flow, demo, testing, evidence. So most of the business environments in the tech world or in any kind of the businesses, most of the time these are the important points which are being used fully or partially. There can be some other points as well, but as per my experience, I have used and practiced these data points. Box number 2 says topics, which can be planning, strategy, project, requirement, issues, defect, solution, or proposal. So everything mentioned in this topic box are the elements or data points which are used commonly. Specifically in my business environment, I belong to a tech world where I mostly deal with all of these elements in meetings to get the ball rolling. The third box says invitees, key inputs from the stakeholders. So when we are presenting, we have to have the stakeholders who are going to say yes or no, or help making certain decisions, or else help you out to pursue further on whatever the task or project you are working on. All key points mentioned here has its own significance and very critical to any business function. Just to highlight that not everything mentioned here can be necessary to every meeting, but there are possibilities depending on nature of meeting. Getting prepared for any meeting is an important step to ensure success of the meeting, which eventually is linked to an upcoming or ongoing project. Few of my favorite ones are the timeline, data to understand the scope, impact analysis, pros and cons, multiple options to choose a solution, process flows, demonstration in system and supporting evidence, which can ensure alignment in business partners with an organization and a clear roadmap. Now, the timeline is critical factor to achieve the objectives, and you want to make sure that you respect everyone's time. During presentation, you want to ensure that the decision is not retract off the topic and you are on time to finish it and has all the inputs needed.